Hello everyone, my name is Kyle and I'm here to go over some trades that I was presented with my system, some trades that I could have taken, and some trades that I wanted to get into. Obviously, if everything was lined and I was at the charts and everything, this would obviously be, hindsight perfect trades, but my system and my trading plan signaled to get into these trades and they followed sort of everything I was looking for. So I just want to get into the habit of consistently going over my trades, going over potentially what could have been made, and all of that good stuff. So the first trade I have is on USDJPY. All the Japanese pairs had a similar move today when the Bank of Japan had a meeting, but overall the Japanese yen is weak compared to pretty much every other currency, with them holding their rates or not raising their rates, which could change in the future, but pretty much as of now I'm making this video, the Japanese yen is pretty weak compared to all other currencies. So essentially I'm going to be looking for longs only in this case. So when news came out last night from the Bank of Japan, they just had some, I don't know exactly what they said in their speech, but obviously they had some sort of press conference that momentarily made, selling right into my level right here, right into my level important. So it came to my level almost exactly, zero drawdown, right at 147, essentially zero drawdown, and it continued to go the rest of the way. So obviously this would have been a perfect entry if I was awake, but at the time they did this, it was like 1 a.m. my time. So this was just another good trade that would have been awesome to execute. Another trade that I am in is a GU. So GU is overall a pair that I'm somewhat bullish on. US dollar and Great British Pound, pretty much neutral. USD has been gaining some strength, but also Great British Pound has been gaining some strength with higher inflation on their end. So both of these different currencies are, somewhat strong, but I just think GU has some strength as well, just because recently they had I think on this day right here, they had a CPI number that came out hotter than expected. Inflation is still on the rise in the Great British Pound, so therefore they're not going to be raising rates, and the currency is going to remain strong. It could be the same for the dollar. Latest CPI was hotter than expected, so we might not see rate cuts. Therefore, both of these currencies are pretty even, I would say, but this gave me a great opportunity to a sell opportunity. It became oversold. And right into my level, which was 126,500, right into my level, almost a zero drawdown, and it is already at a 1 to 3. So between both of these pairs, obviously this is an insane day with a lot of room to go, all the way up to a 1 to 7. I went break even at a 1 to 1 just because this is kind of a falling knife scenario. I don't get in with any confirmation; I just get in right at the level. So it's very risky, I guess, quote unquote. But 1 to 7 here with the potential to really skyrocket. And UJ, I'm honestly, it's every time the yen hits 150 in relation to the US dollar, usually there's some sort of big sell-off. So right here at 150, there's been just big sell-offs. So this has a lot of room to the upside to 150. So I'm going to hold these trades as long as I can, as long as my plan tells me to. And if it drops below major levels like 180, 14800, and 149, if it closes above, closes below, I'll start looking at potentially closing the trades. But for now, I'm going to let them run. There's absolutely zero fundamental reason why UJ will not keep going up. And if GU continues to have high CPI and continues over the next few days to continue to trend up, it's very possible. So I'm going to keep following that. Other than that, guys, thanks for taking a look at this video. I know it was kind of ramble, but I'm just trying to get content out, get used to making a video every single day. So I will continue to be better at this. But other than that, thank you for taking the time to watch, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.